Hey makeup addicts, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Kayla and today I did a tutorial using these two Amor Us palettes. I used the Sun palette on this side and the Moon palette on this side. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start on the eyes and I'm going to use the Milani eyeshadow primer with that flat concealer brush. Now I'm going into the Amor Us The Sun palette, which I'll be applying to this side of my face. And I'm going into Tan with that blending brush. I'm going to apply that above my crease. Now on the other side, using the Moon palette, I'm going into Celine with a different blending brush. And applying that above the crease like I did on the other side. Going back to the other side, the Sun palette. I'm going into Dawn with that tapered eyeshadow crease brush and applying that in the crease. Now I'm going back over to the other side and the Moon palette. Going into Saga with another tapered eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going back in with the first blending brush to blend out that crease color. And doing the same thing on the other eye. Now with the Sun palette, I'm going in to Chance with a tapered pencil brush. I'm doing a halo effect on the eyelid, so I'll apply this to the outer corner and the inner corner. And to deepen that color up, I'm going into Apollo with that same pencil brush. And on the other side, in the Moon palette, I'm going into Dark Night with another pencil brush. Then with that same pencil brush, I'm going to dip into Galaxy. Now to the center of my eyelids, I'm going to apply Item Beauty Lid Glaze in Lunar Drop. I'm going into the Sun palette. I'm going into the glitter called Heatless. And I'm going to apply that to the middle of my eyelid where I just applied that Item Beauty Lid Glaze. And on the other eye, I'm going into the Moon palette. And I'm going to use the shade called Aura. With a flat shader brush. So here's the finished eyeshadow look. I'm going to clean up under my eyes and I'll be back to do the face. Moving on to face, I'm going to use the Morphe Revitalizer Primer. Now I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty Under Eye Primer. Now I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty Yellow Color Correcting Concealer. And I use this to color correct the redness in my face. I'm using a beauty blender to blend that in. Now I'm going into the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in Light Sand. Using that beauty blender to blend that in. Now for foundation, I'm using the Fora foundation in 102 Nude. And with that foundation, I'm mixing in a little bit of Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Using that same beauty blender to blend that in. For powder, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Translucent Setting Powder with a fluffy powder brush. For highlight, blush, and bronzer, I'm going to use the Sun palette on the side of the face. For highlight, I'm going to use Sunbeam. For blush, I'm going to use Flare. And for contour, I'm using Dawn. On the other side, I'm going to use the Moon palette. And for highlight, I'm going to use Moonbeam. For blush, I'm going to use Muse. And for contour, I'm going to use Dusk. For brows, I'm going to use the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. Now I'm going to use the Essence Clear Brow Gel. Now for lips, I'm going to use the Sorbet Lip Liner in Baby Doll. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Bellin Argent lipstick in Smoking on Screen. Which looks like this. I'm going to use an angled brush in the 16-Hour Ammo Concealer by e.l.f. to fix the lipstick. I'm going to blend that out with the Beauty Blender. Use the BH Cosmetics translucent setting powder to set around my lips. I'm going to use a sponge that's included. On top of that, I'm going to use the Essence Melted Chrome Liquid Lipstick. And this is in Rosy Goldie. Going to set my face with the Ulta Beauty Watermelon Setting Spray. And this is the final look. If you like this video, please consider liking down below. And if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!